안녕하세요. Hello, K-friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am Chung. Hope all of you are doing very well. When cooking, sometimes a combination of very common food ingredients can make something very special and delicious. Today I'm gonna use the combination of egg and soy sauce, the two very common food ingredients in the world. However, this dish needs special attention to make this combination delicious. Today's cuisine is called braised egg in soy sauce, 계란잠조림. Like I said, you just need egg and soy sauce, but I will add some more touches to it. Okay, let's get it started. Step 1. Boiling eggs. Pour a moderate amount of water into the pot. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Adding salt helps the egg peel well, and vinegar helps the egg not come out but coagulate. Put the eggs. Boil the eggs for about 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, put the eggs in cold water. If you put the boiled eggs in the cold water, you can peel the eggs more easily. Peel the rest in the same ways. Step 2. Cutting vegetables. If you have a chili pepper, slice 1. This is optional. If you have an onion, slice a half and slice it into appropriate sizes. If you have a green onion, cut it in half and cut it into small pieces. I'm gonna use it as a garnish later. Step 3. Boil eggs in sauce. Add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. If you add a lot of water, it takes a long time for the sauce to boil down, so I add 3 tablespoons of water. If you have cooking wine, add about 3 tablespoons. It enhances the flavor. If you don't have cooking wine, just add 3 more tablespoons of water. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir the ingredients well. Put the eggs. Boil it over high heat for about 5 minutes. Turn the pan like this. Then the color of the eggs will be same. Five minutes later, and then reduce the heat over medium. Cook for another 3 more minutes. At this time, add onions too. Onions are good ingredients for health, and they are delicious when boiled together with eggs. My husband loves to have braised eggs with onion. If you like the spice taste, and you can add a few chilies. This is optional. If there is some soup left, turn off the heat. Let me put them in a bowl. Put the onions. Sprinkle some sliced green onions. Sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds. Ta-da! Super simple and delicious braised egg is done! Wow, looks so good! Let me have a bite. It's so much better than I thought. It's so delicious because the egg has a sweet and salty taste. Let me have the onion. The onion is really sweet and delicious. Hope you give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It really means a lot. I will see you next time. Until then, stay well and be happy. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.